Para to sa mga bata, para to sa mga single or double income, no kids na mag-partner, right? Mga dinks na tinatawag. For sure, iniisip mo, hindi mo kailangan ng life insurance. And yes, tama ka, hindi mo kailangan ng life insurance. Pero merong insurance na kailangan mo, no? Kasi bata ka, mura pa to para sa iyo or wala kang ibang dependent. Ang dependent mo yung sarili mo in case magkasakit. So, kumuha ka ng health insurance. Lalong-lalo na yung critical illness coverage. In case magkaroon ng critical illness, may makukuha kang lump sum amount. So let me share with you itong magandang product ng AIA. It's called AIA Critical Protect 100. Maghuhulog ka lang ng 10 years or 20 years, tapos covered ka na up to age 100 in case ma-diagnose ng critical illness. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sample na AIA Critical Protect 100, 20 years to pay for male age 27. Ang benefits niya, 1 million life insurance or critical illness, ano man yung mauna. Tapos may minor critical illness benefit in case ma-diagnose ng minor critical illness. It will advance 25% ng coverage mo. So in this case, kung 1,250,000. Tapos may gender-specific cancer benefit pa na additional 500,000, magiging 1 million plus 500,000 ang ibibigay sa'yo kung sa lalaki, let's say male cancer, prostate cancer. Sa babae, breast cancer, cervical cancer, ovarian cancer. Yan yung mga example. Instead na 1 million lang, magiging 1.5 million. Magkano siya? For male age 27, 24,110 pesos lang siya, 20 years to pay. Kung gusto mong mas maikse at 10 years to pay lang, lalo na kung bata ka, napakamura, 44,417.50 lang. Same benefits, 1 million life insurance and critical illness, may minor critical illness benefit, tapos may gender-specific cancer benefit na nilagay. Meron nga akong client, no, kinuhanan yung anak niya, male age 4. The same benefits, 1 million life and critical illness, may minor critical illness benefit, may gender-specific cancer benefit, and then may recovery benefit kapag gumaling na additional 500,000, 100,000 a year for the next 5 years. All in all, 15,169.25 lang. So sobrang mura, di ba? At ito yung mga covered critical illness itong plan na to. Napakadami, right? Yung unang-una, of course, cancer, all types of cancer. May illnesses related to organ failure and functions like kidney failure, liver, right? May illnesses related to heart like heart attack. Illnesses related to nervous system, dito marami like coma, Parkinson's disease, even stroke kasama dyan. Tapos may other illnesses pa. Ayan. So in short, 57 major illnesses. Tapos may mga minor illnesses pang kasama. And then nandiyan din yung list of gender-specific cancer coverage ng male and female. 'Di ba? So napakasulit talaga. So kung interested ka dito, lalo na sa mga bata, let me know. Right? Send me a message. I just need your details para masendan kita ng quotation.